the first episode ever of Asperiments. Today we are going to be investigating the properties of Ooblek. What is Ooblek? It is a non-Newtonian fluid. What is a non-Newtonian fluid? It's a fluid that when a certain amount of force is applied to it, it changes density. Now let's get started. First you're going to have to put 2 cups of corn flour into a bowl. It's roughly 1 cup. Two cups. Now we're going to get let's put this over here, a jug of water. We're going to add 1 little bit of food dye. Now we mix this up. Now, you want to pour in the water slowly. Add in a bit, then stir it with a knife. Butter knife preferably. We might need more water. We're probably going to have to remove some of the excess water. Okay, so I'm stirring it in and the consistency is getting really hard. So if I go too fast, it ends up ripping. See? I think this is about right for experiments. Look at this. It's pouring in like a liquid or a custard of sorts. It's making a lovely pattern, but I just ruined it. Now let's swap the rest out. So we're going to do 5 different things to this Ooblek. First, I'm going to put my hand gently into it. 2, we're going to bang it with a hammer. 3, we're going to rip it with a butter knife. 4, we're going to grab a handful and let it rest in my hand. Then 5, we're going to grab a handful and this time we're going to rip it. Okay, so let's start with number 1. So it's doing this because I am applying little to no force. But as soon as I try to get my hand out fast, it gets really hard. Look at my hand, it's all gooey and yum. Okay, let's keep this over here. Now, we're going to hit it with a hammer. It's hard with this container, but you get the idea. Now I'm going to watch it. See, I have little to no Ooblek on where I punched it. Okay, now that my hands are clean, we are going to get a knife, and then let's put it here and rip through. It immediately, almost immediately fixes the rips that I've done. Now if I do it from side to side, I can pick it up in big lots. Now, let's get our hands dirty again. Let's just grab a handful and let it rest. It pours straight out of my hands. I bet if I left my hands here for like 5 or 10 minutes, all the goop would be down back here. Now, let's try this again. Going to need to grab a big lot. I can rip it. By the way, this is very fun to play with. So yeah, that was the first episode of Asperiments. Hope you enjoyed it.